Yep, driving school on Winthrop Street, Brooklyn, New York. This is Ben with Pierre Driving School. We're gonna do a few left and right here in the Brooklyn area. This street here is Winthrop. This is an area that we cover here in New York City. So if you do live on those areas and need some help, please feel free to check PierrePaulDriving.com. Mirror right, shoulder right, nothing changing, and make your turn and fall right into your lane. All right, right into your lane. All right, continue to drive here and pay attention to everything. That is going. I see a car here is squeezing in on my right side. Okay, I'm paying attention to that, cover the brake. The road is narrow. You have to look ahead and center yourself. You do not want to drive. You do not want to drive on the other side of the road. That will not be safe and you will be in trouble. Police can give you a ticket for the road test, unable to keep straight, drifting on traffic. They will drive on the wrong side of the road. They will fail you the test. Both ends of the steering wheel. Okay? Going here nice and smooth, going over. All right, paying good attention here. So a lot of activities coming in ahead. I'm already preparing myself. I'm covering my brake now, so I can come to a nice and smooth stop. I'm not making any abrupt or jerking a hard stop. Okay, all right. Always looking forward and forward planning all your moves. You do not want to get yourself backstand, get yourself in a situation where you cannot reverse. You have no other choice to wait for the person in front of you to make a move, for you to move. No, forward planning all your moves as you're driving. All right. This is a driving lesson here on Winthrop Street, Brooklyn, New York. Winthrop Street, Brooklyn, New York. It's been with Pierre Driving School. We cover those areas as well. We're doing a few left and right, a few tips and tricks, things there for you to do when you're doing your driving lesson. When you're doing your driving lesson here, and also when you're preparing to take your road test, as well as when you're driving in general. Because remember, the more training you can get on any shape or form, it's better for you, because driving is pragmatic. You not getting enough driving, however, but by watching these videos, gonna give you a better understanding of things that are for you to do for when you get in the car. Okay, my light is blinking here. Paying good attention here. All right. See, traffic is moving clearly, and also it's raining in the morning. You do not want to be flying on the speed that can get you in trouble. All right, I'm seeing the light is already blinking, but I'm red. I'm good to go. You see how I'm saying? I'm paying attention to? Yes. When you stop, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground. If not, you follow too close. Okay. Continue going here. Always take a quick glance on your surrounding. You have to always forward. You have always look on your surrounding for crazy people doing stuff that they have no business doing. See, pulling over again to our right here, because the road is a little bit tight as we're going through, and traffic getting heavy because it's early Monday morning. All right. So yep, covering the brake here. When we stop, we like to see what the tires of the car in front of us on the ground. These are the level of delivery, folks, we're looking to do. All right, the more practice you do, the better you get. All right, as a new driver, you've always have to be able to get as much practice as you can get and do the thing that you're supposed to do during your driving lesson. Don't do anything otherwise, because you want to prepare the right way, so when you go to the road test, you're not going to do anything that you get comfortable doing that is wrong. Okay, so driving ahead here, traffic is moving good. I'm not making the other line because it's usually less than 10. You see how much I'm paying attention to? And I'm slowing down to let the person behind me know I'm not taking the light. And I'm looking at the mirror on sight. All right? That's what we're talking about, leading the traffic. You have to lead them in the right way. You don't want to give them the wrong impression. Knowing that I'm not going to take the light and I'm just accelerating and hit the brake, then that's provoking an accident of which any one of us need. All right, folks? These are the level of delivery that you must do as you're doing your road test with the examiner. Make them feel real comfortable in the car with you. Like, let them know you're well aware of all your surrounding. You know what's going on here and you know how to handle them. Those are the certainty that they wanted to get from you while they're in the car with you. If you're not doing those things, then they're gonna consider that as you're not ready yet for you to take your road test here and pass, all right? And this step gonna carry out with you for your whole driving journey, all right? So I'm driving independence in the car in front of me, stopping. Why is that? Making a left turn, continue to go my way. See? Good, all right, good. We're making a right turn at the corner here. Signal my turn. When I'm ready to make the turn, I'm gonna check my mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and check the turn. And make the turn nice and smooth, falling, you see? Drop my speed 2 to 3 miles per hour, okay. We got some deliveries here. All right, yes, folks, that's Winthrop Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. That's a driving lesson there. We cover those areas as well. Some people here, they will reverse to avoid this garbage truck, but those are the things that you do not want to do, all right? So moving the truck to New York City, moving the garbage in New York City is one of the things that they do here. So if you happen to get stuck behind them, it is what it is. Folks, anything you guys want me to cover for you in particular, put it in the comment below. As we're here at Pierre Driving School, we got most of our video topic come from what you guys ask us to do for you, all right? Like, share, and subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, if you know anybody that may benefit from this, put it in the comment, share that video with them, because once you can help someone to get the license here in the United States in general, that's one of the good things you can do for them, because believe it or not, a license can enhance your life. Although you may not want a license to drive, but it's gonna enhance the way of living, all right? Just been here with Pierre Driving School, Brooklyn, New York. We are on Clarkson Avenue. If you need help, check our website, pierrepauldraiving.com. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This Ben with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. We got a clearance here. Let's get the clearance. Thank you. That was nice of him. Okay. Thank you. That was nice of him. Okay. Until then, folks, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.